Hi everybody, thanks for coming by the channel today. We're going to do a Sephora Play unboxing. Yay! Haven't gotten in here yet, so I don't know what kind of goodies we have. Sephora Play, in case you don't know, is a $10 per month subscription. You just sign up through the Sephora website and you get it once monthly, and you get samples, some deluxe samples, and you also get 50 extra rewards points when you use this with your on your insider card. I have like a bajillion points. Someday I'm going to do something really fantastic with them. Comes with this nice guide that's going to tell us what's in here. Merry and bright. Yay, because it's almost Christmas. I know, it's November. I'm one of those people. I apologize in advance. I'm ready for Christmas. Okay, let's see what we've got in here. We've got the Sephora plastic bag that they've gone to now. I keep telling myself that it's environmentally friendly, and that's why they've given, I'm just gonna take everything out of it, and that's why they've gone to this as opposed to the pretty little bags that used to come in. But I wish I could say I've thought of something clever and a way to reuse these, but I haven't yet, but I still have them all. They're just little Ziploc bags, but they're cute. Okay, let's see what's in here. All right, I have to put my glasses on or I won't be able to read a thing. Okay, exciting. Let's start with this cute little Amica Perk Dry Shampoo. It's a cute little size. I love dry shampoos. I am new to not washing my hair every day. I've always been a wash your hair every day kind of girl. I'm trying, since I'm coloring more, to go to every other day. I honestly don't know how people get beyond that, but good for you. If you do and you have secrets, please tell me below. I would love to do it. I tend to get my hair is so fine and so thin that I get too oily still. You know, I just knew that once I got past my 50s, it would, or I shouldn't say past my 50s. Let's go with in my 50s. Back on point. Amica Dry Shampoo. It's dry shampoo. It's an oil absorbing spray, instantly refreshes the hair and adds volume. Let's see. I can always use volume. Goodness gracious. 2 points for Gryffindor for putting the lid on tight. Woo! Do I have, oh, it smells nice. Do I have volume? Am I volumized? Oh, it's damp, actually. It smells really nice. So if nothing else comes out of it, my head smells good now. We'll keep an eye on that and see how it does. Seems to have poofed up that little front piece a little bit though. So, all right. Next we have, what is this? So exciting! It is an adorable little, hope you can see, Laura Mercier translucent powder. How, wow, that's so awesome. I love the translucent powders. I've just started watching a bunch of other people's YouTube videos and have just started trying to do some baking under my eyes. I'm not sure how I feel about it yet, but it's just translucent powder. Oh my goodness, it's so fine. Oh, I feel like I want to say, excuse me, I'm gonna do my makeup again. I don't know, you know, you just instinctively sniff things. I cannot wait to get into this and give it a shot. Yay. Very exciting. Okay, next we have a Clinique Pep Start. It's a cute little, I can see it's about half full just for the record. It's a cute little sample. A lightweight eye cream that brightens and hydrates your skin in an instant. I can always use a new eye cream because I like to put on a lot of eye cream before I put on my concealer and then I bake. It's all coming together, people. Okay, what have we got next? Juliette Has a Gun perfume. And it's an actual spraying one. Very neat. Juliette Has a Gun perfume. Ta-da! Oops. Ta-da! Shall we just go for it? What's the worst thing that happens? I have to shower again? You know? Sometimes I can be sensitive to scents, but look it, I'm taking one on the team. Oh, and it's not subtle. It comes out pretty well. Oh, that's nice. I know that scent. Somebody I know wears this. Who is it? Okay, well that's gonna drive me crazy until I place that. Somebody I love in my life wears this Juliette Has a Gun. I don't know who it is, but I know that scent. It's very nice. I can't wait to see how it wears on me. It's kind of, let's see what they say. This fresh and clean scent is composed of just one note. Cetilox. These are words I don't know. That one note in this perfume is Cetilox, C-E-T-L. No, you don't care how I spell it. Making it hypoallergenic and ideal for people who normally pass on perfumes. Oh my goodness. That is incredible. What else do we have? Erborian CC Cream. Let's read about this. I'm not going to read it on here. I'm going to read it on here because it's very little words. Blur Connoisseur. I would like to blur many things. The Erborian CC Cream High Definition Radiance Face Cream Skin Perfector in Clair. A color correcting primer that blurs imperfections for a more even complexion. Well, I am always happy and willing to be blurred. Ta-da. I don't know if I can blur a hand or not. So it just comes out in tiny little. Oh, it's thicker than you think it's going to be. Oh, I love that. It doesn't have that silicone slip. I am not a huge fan of the primers that have that silicone slip, and this doesn't. It mattes down, but it feels moisturizing. But I will tell you right now, if you like a primer and you do not care for the silicone slip because you have greasy skin or for whatever reason, this is fantastic. Erborian CC Cream. Blurring. We'll be trying that. Very cool. And last but not least, we have a Grande Lips Hydraplump Liquid Lipstick. Let's get it out of here. Ooh, on the back it has information. 97% of people found it comfortable to wear. 94% said looks... I can't read. 94% said lips look naturally fuller. So I have it in Desert Peak. Well, let's see what Desert Peak looks like. Is it a little Grande Lips? Oh, and look on the back, it has a stripe that you can see into it and see the color. Well, let's put it out here and see what we have. Sit on the edge of my seat. It does look like a color I can wear. That is a really pretty color. It's very much like the one I'm wearing. That is a color I like very much. Kind of, I find that I have, as I get older, I have less color in my face, so I need more color in my lips. So I like that. It's going to be very nice. Very exciting. All right. That is our Sephora Play Box this month. It is a very good one. We got the Grande Lips, the Amica Dry Shampoo, she said ever so gracefully. Juliette Has a Gun perfume, the Pep Start Clinique eye cream, the Mercier translucent powder. Yes, she did. And the Erborian CC cream for blurring. So I'm gonna blur. I'm gonna skip washing my hair. I'm gonna smell good. Good lips. It's a good month. This was a really nice Sephora Play Box. I like this very much. I can only find something clever to do with the bags. Let me know below. Please like or subscribe if you like what I'm doing. I've got more unboxings to come. And thanks for being here, guys. Bye.